DPWH received a total budget amounting to 248 billion pesos. This is for flood control projects. However, a big part of the country is still experiencing deep floods despite the big amount of budget allotted. How can you address this issue? Let me repeat that question. In 2025, DPWH received a total budget amounting to 248 billion pesos. This is for flood control projects. However, a big part of the country is still experiencing deep floods despite the big amount of budget allotted. How can you address this issue? In Filipino?
In Tagalog? Ngayong 2025, ang DPWH ay naglaan ng kabuuang halaga ng 248 bilyong pesos sa pag-apula ng mga baha, ngunit sa ngayon ay nakakaranas pa rin tayo ng malawakang pagbaha sa buong bansa. Ano ang masasabi mo sa isyong ito? Do you need me to repeat the question? Oh, it's okay. Thank God.
Flood, climate change, and irregularities has a huge effect in any one of us here in the Philippines. As a driven Novezano and as a son of farmer, I've learned the importance of planting trees and planting seeds. We humans are one of the reasons why this calamity is happening to us. So we should be responsible for taking care of Mother Earth. So I believe so that we could have a better future for ourselves and also for our future generation. And with this, I hope I have shown my true self, that I am a man of substance, I am a man of purpose, and I am a man of inspiration. Thank you.
Good start and a good end. Of course, thank you so much.